Hold on.
Look,
Explaining to me how the microwave works.
Look. The one on the bottom right says time cooked. Time cooked. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2, 0, 0. Start.
Yeah, but we don't want to put it on for 2 minutes.
What do you want to put it on for?
22 seconds.
All right. Man.
Close to 0, 0, 20.
Time 28. Cook.
Ryan, are you done?
Every time I hit 2,
Are you
Now-
done with the game?
every time I hit 2, it comes 2 minutes. I just
hurry
wait
up.
and I wait until.
No, because you don't hit time cook
Yeah.
first.
But what happens if I put forks and spoons in there?
You'll buy me a new microwave. Let's shut it off. You're wasting my electric.
There's gonna be.
Not shut it off.
Sounds like it's burning.
Oh, why does it smell like it's burning?
Because there's nothing in it.
Oh.
You ain't supposed to do that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that really smells like it's burning.
That's because you're not supposed to do that with nothing in it.
Yeah.
So how do I? So how do I set it for 5 minutes
So
and
open the
6
door
seconds?
and let it air out. You know that? You burn it out?
Yeah.
That way